Very good afternoon to you. Welcome to Ideal World. My name's Shona. It's great to have you company here at Ideal World. To tell you what though, I am very excited about this next show. Now this whole show is devoted to giftables, but it could be giftables to yourself as well, to be perfectly honest. But the main item that I want to talk to you about is this incredible kit from Gel Touch Nails. Now, if you've always fancied having your nails done in the salon, but you think, oh, it costs too much money, or maybe you're someone who's collected the most beautiful nail polishes over the years, and you think, well, actually, if I started to use gel at home, I'm going to have to start my collection from scratch. It's going to cost a fortune. Well, just hold your horses, because with this particular kit, it will transform any nail polish. I mean, literally any nail polish. It can be your £2 one from the supermarket, or your really high-end one that you have coveted for years, but you always chip it. You always only get a couple of days wear out of it. This is going to transform it, because with one very special top coat that you can put over the top of any nail colour, and using this very special light here, it will transform all of your nail polishes into a gel finish. But it gets even better. If maybe you're someone who hasn't been able to have gels before because you've struggled to get them to adhere to your nail bed, or maybe you've had some sort of allergic reaction, this is HEMA free. Meaning that this opens the whole world of having that glamorous, glossy finish to your nails to absolutely everyone. Now, I went just last week when I got back from, I was working in Saudi. By the time I got back, my nails looked like a dog's breakfast. And I was like, right, I need to get my nails done before we get back on air, because of course you see everything close up here because we've got the cameras. And I went and I had my hands done and I had my toes done. That cost me £67. My nails, my hands, are £29 every time I go. Hang on a minute. This whole kit is $39.99. And of course, you've got your flexible payments there of £13.33 to get that home. So after 3 months, well, you've paid yourself back, haven't you? We were trying to work out, let's just say on average, going to the nail salon to have a full set of gel nails is £30. Let's just kind of put it into those contexts. If you were to go 40 times, and why am I plucking that number out? Because of the top coat, depending on the size of your nail bed, will do between 40 and 60 sets of nails. So let's be conservative. Let's get to the lower end. 40 times £30. That's £1,200, £1,200. Hang on a minute, you're going to get more than that with this kit for $39.99. And you don't just get the top coat and the light. You're also going to get a choice. You've got 4 choices, in fact, of your colourways. You've got Holiday, which is this one here. We have Cocktail, which is these ones here. This one here is called Fluoros, as in fluorescence. And then this is the one I am absolutely certain is going to go bonkers on this show. It's called Sparkles. It couldn't be better for your Christmas parties. Now, you get all of the wipes, and you get this pot of wipes here. All of that comes in this kit as well. You get your light that's over the top here. You also get your orange sticks, or your cuticle sticks, or whatever you want to call them. And you also get 2 nail emery boards as well. And these are beautiful salon quality emery boards. And of course, that incredible top coat that is going to transform any nail polish into that fabulous gel finish, giving you that wonderful finish to your nails for up to 10 days. Now, with Sparkles, I knew this was going to be popular. I absolutely knew it. Less than 80 units of your set with this colourway. So when you go onto the website, you put in 949762, or if you're on the phone, quote that number, and then you will just say what colorway you want. If you're on the website, once you go there, you just click on your drop-down menu and you choose which colorway you want to go for. Do you want to go for your sparkles? Do you want to go for holiday? Do you want to go for fluoros? Or do you want to go for cocktail? Wow, I knew this was going to be a busy show, but this is a little bit crazy. Perfect gift for anyone who loves to do their nails, or anyone who just loves to change the colour of their nails, but have that amazing intensity, that vibrancy, that shine, and that last that you're going to get from the gel finish. Now, we've also got some gorgeous top coats that you could add into this as well. Now, £9.99 will get you these top coats. You pop them into your basket, just £3.33 additionally. £767, and then you've got the choice of silver, bronze, clear, gold, or matte, which is so on trend at the moment. Now, we're going to see some of these wonderful top coats in action live in the studio, because not only am I joined by the European sales manager, Yvonne. It's very noisy outside in the garden. I'm like, what is that noise? But we have our lovely Linda and Laura here that are going to be able to show you all of those colours going on and just how easy this is to use. Right, I'm going to go over and I'm going to meet our lovely Yvonne now. Yvonne, it's brilliant to have your company with us this afternoon. And you're a very, very special guest as well, because you are actually the European sales manager for this amazing brand.
Fantastic brand. Yes, I've been with United Beauty for 9 years, and we've been for the last 2 years, we've been putting together our gel touch top coat to bring to the market HEMA-free, which is, as you were saying earlier, it's a softer system for your nails.
It's a big deal, isn't it, that? Because it really does open this gorgeous finish to our nails to virtually everybody, doesn't it?
Well, people who haven't been able to get their nails done before, who have used gel products before, now can go back there again, try it. It's a fantastic range and it just keeps on giving. And with the 3 glittery top coats, Christmas is here.
Yeah, absolutely. And you were absolutely right. You said that the sparkles within the 4 choices of colours within our starter kit was going to be the most popular. It absolutely is. It's flying. So what makes this so special? Because potentially people could look at this, because what you're seeing here, this circle here, this is your starter, but you choose your colourway. Potentially people could look at this and go, oh, it's going to be far too complicated. But actually, it's not, is it?
It is the most simplest system in the world. So basically, you can use any polish. Okay. Absolutely any polish. Get that kitchen drawer, rustle it, and take out your old polish. You can use it. I mean, we are showcasing our Attitude polishes here today, but you can use any polish, universally any polish. Basically, you prep your nail, put your nail polish on, let it dry. Keynote, let it dry.
Right.
Then you get your gel touch top coat, you put it on, you apply it, and then you put it under your gel touch lamp for 60 seconds, and then you're turning any polish into a gel in 60 seconds.
So your old favourite.
Your old favourites, bring them all out, give them a good old shake and go for it.
And so just in case, you're thinking, well, that sounds too easy, exactly as you see on the screen there. You apply a thin layer of your favourite nail polish. You might have an old favourite that you return to time and time again. Pop that on, let it dry. Then you pop on this very special gel touch top coat. Pop it under the UV light. Now that's presumably an automatic count, is it? The
yes,
60 seconds?
Yes.
Fantastic. So you turn it on, let it do its job. It will turn itself off. And then you get cleansing wipes that are included in this kit.